हेलो फ्रेंड्स, यूनिक नॉलेज सिटी में आपका स्वागत है। एंड आज हम बात करने वाले हैं आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एप्लीकेशन की। फ्रेंड्स, आज का ज़माना ऑटोमेशन से चल रहा है। आज का ज़माना आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के ऊपर भी आ चुका है। सो लेट्स चेक आउट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। बट बिफोर दैट, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस क्या होता है तो वो देख लेते हैं पहले। इन कंप्यूटर साइंस द टर्म आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस refers any human like intelligence exhibited by a computer, robot, or other machine. In popular usage, artificial intelligence referred to the ability of a computer or machine to mimic the capabilities of the human mind, learning from the examples and experience, recognizing objects, understanding and responding to the language, making decisions, solving problems, and combining these and other capabilities to perform function like a human might perform, such as greetings, a hotel guest और ड्राइविंग कार। आपने सुना होगा ड्राइवरलेस कार या फिर ऐसे रोबोट जो ग्रीटिंग्स देते हैं, जो सॉन्ग सुनाते हैं, लाइक दैट। सो दिस ऑल आर अबाउट द आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस फ्रेंड्स। सो सबसे पहला एप्लीकेशन की अगर बात करें तो पर्सनलाइज्ड ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग। द लेटेस्ट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एप्लीकेशन यूज AI powered algorithms to AI powered algorithms to create the list of buying recommendations and filtration for the users. द फर्स्ट कलेक्ट, आपने देखा होगा ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग में कि जब भी आप कुछ भी गूगल पे सर्च करते हो तो मान लो कि आपको क्रिकेट बैट लेना है या फिर ड्रेसेस अच्छी लेनी है या फिर कुछ भी शॉपिंग करना है, टी शर्ट्स है या फिर शर्ट है, शूज़ है, कुछ भी। सो जैसे ही आप गूगल में सर्च करते हो, देन आफ्टर आप ऑब्जर्व करोगे कि आपकी जो भी सोशल मीडिया है उसके ऊपर आपको उसका ही एडवर्टाइजमेंट, उसका ही रिकमेंडेशंस दिखेगा। एंड दिस इज एक्चुअली आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। सो द फर्स्ट कलेक्ट द यूजर डेटा बाय गोइंग थ्रू द यूजर्स मोस्ट रिसेंट सर्च हिस्ट्री। वो सर्च हिस्ट्री में से डेटा निकालेगा। देन दीज AI algorithms create a list of products that fit the criteria of being useful or similar, और similar products को भी दिखाएगा that users might to interest in looking and potentially buying in similar and the different category. For instance, if a user has purchased a smartphone, मान लो कि किसी ने स्मार्टफोन लिया है तो उसके रिगार्डिंग में ही उसको उसकी प्रोडक्ट दिखाई जाएगी, लाइक बैक कवर है, ईयरफोन्स है, एंड उसकी मैचिंग आइटम्स भी हम देख सकते हैं। तो ये सब कुछ टोटली जो ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग होता है दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। नेक्स्ट वन दैट इज स्मार्ट कार। स्मार्ट कार का जो कंसेप्ट ऑलरेडी आ चुका है एंड गूगल ने ऐसे स्मार्ट कार्स बना भी दी है। सो self driving cars are the most common existing example of the application of AI, artificial intelligence, in real world, becoming increasingly reliable and ready for dispatch every single day. From Google's self driving car project to Tesla's autopilot feature, it is a matter of time before AI is a standard issue technology in the automotive industry. सो ड्राइवरलेस कार है, ऑटोमेटिक पार्किंग सिस्टम है, लाइक टेस्ला ने जो डेवलप किया है वो ऑटो पायलट फीचर है। तो ये सब कुछ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का एप्लीकेशन है। नेक्स्ट, मार्केटिंग। सो one of the greatest artificial intelligence example applications, marketing has been a key area for improvement and the latest trends in AI. The early 2000s were not so great in terms of AI's implementation of the marketing domain online. AI has also made its way into many software and hardware used by the marketing individuals to help them calibrate the huge amount of the data and comprehensively analyze it. Big data and machine learning have been the major players in the domain where AI has shined and effectively elevated the various processes involved in handling the data. सो मार्केटिंग में AI है वो बहुत ही सपोर्टिव है, जो कि डेटा हैंडलिंग में हेल्पफुल रहता है। बिग डेटा एनालिसिस एंड मशीन लर्निंग में भी AI को एंट्री मिल चुकी है ऑलरेडी। Enhance images, like camera and the application use AI for applying different effects on images, refining their qualities and even suggest how to click them live. So AI can help in object identification in image and also enhance the photograph to the maximum extent by identifying the depth like lighting and the scope of the picture and helping capture every element in as much as detail as possible. By using this feature, many apps and cameras let you add a variety of effect in your pictures. Artificial intelligence features allow the users to blur out the image or background, increasing the focus on a particular object, and filters and do the plethora of other amazing experiments on the clicked images. So like जो आप blurring effect करते हो, जो background effect डालते हो, they all are based on the AI actually, like this. So this is one example of the picture captured and some artificial intelligence involvement which can make the pictures look amazing. सोशल मीडिया की अगर बात करें तो सोशल मीडिया इज़ द समथिंग दैट हैज़ एस्टेब्लिश्ड itself an essential element for current generation. We have been generating an immeasurable amount of the data through the chats, tweets, posts, photos, and so on. So, in the most common understanding of the statement, wherever there is an abundance of data, AI and machine learning are always involved. The most common use of AI in the social media is for face verification and to detect facial features. सो लाइक आपने कभी भी नोटिस किया होगा कि मान लो दो फ्रेंड्स है वो क्लिक करते हैं फोटोग्राफ सेल्फी क्लिक करते हैं एंड जैसे फेसबुक पे पोस्ट करते हैं तो किसी का भी एक का अकाउंट होगा तो उसमें आइडेंटिफिकेशन दोनों को मिल जाएगा, साथ में दोनों के पर्सन के नाम भी दिख जाएंगे अगर उसके ऊपर हम माउस का कर्सर ले जाते हैं तो, माउस का पॉइंटर ले जाते हैं तो. इन सर्विलियंस सिस्टम लाइक इन सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम. So, like other applications of the artificial intelligence in the real world, AI can also be enhanced using supervised exercises, developing security algorithms, identification protocols, and much more to take input from security cameras. Eventually, AI can identify potential threats and warn human security officers to investigate इन फर्दर. सो दिस इज़ AI सर्विलियंस जहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि पर्सन की स्कैनिंग हो जाती है फ्रॉम द कैमरा. एग्रीकल्चरल की बात करें अगर तो ड्रोन सिस्टम से सैनिटाइजिंग भी पॉसिबल है इवन इन एग्रीकल्चर. जो मीन्स क्रॉप्स को जो कीड़े नहीं लगे ऐसी जो दवाइयाँ डालते हैं वो भी एग्रीकल्चरल में पॉसिबल है विद ड्रोन सिस्टम. एंड ऑल्सो by capturing the thermal image analysis we can predict soil के जो भी composites है वो भी predict कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट अगर बात करें तो one of the latest artificial intelligence application agriculture has also shown a significant impact on industry. With the increased demand for food, organizations are using automation and robotics technology with AI embedded in it to help farmers find more efficient ways to protect their crops from the various elements like weather, weeds, market consumption rates, and much more. Issues such as climatic change, population growth, and food security concern have pushed the industry into seeking more innovative approaches to improve crop yield and targeted production. The latest artificial intelligence application in the form of image recognition identify possible defect in the crops through the image captured by the user's smartphone camera. Users are then provided with soil restoration techniques, tips, and other possible solutions to deal with the identified defects. Like 8 number customer service. In customer service there are many websites now that offers the customers the ability to chat with customer support. It's one of the most general application of the artificial intelligence that chat support bots are little more than automated responder. And like अगर हम बात करें आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इन गेमिंग सेक्शन इन augmented and virtual reality. It's really amazing. So video games. Over the past few years, artificial intelligence has become an integral part of the gaming industry. In fact, one of the biggest accomplishment of AI in the gaming industry. The actions taken by the opponent AI are unpredictable because the game is designed in such a way that the opponents are trained throughout the game and never repeat the same mistake. Their abilities to perform in the game gets better as the game gets harder. This makes the games very challenging and promotes the players to constantly switch the strategies and never use the same tactics again. If talking about the healthcare, अगर healthcare की बात की जाए तो the healthcare sector has been amongst the top adopters of AI technology. It boils down the power of AI to crunch the number of facts and learn from the historical data, which is critical in the healthcare industries. सो ऐसे रोबोट्स भी हैं जो हेल्थ केयर इंडस्ट्री को प्रमोट करते हैं, जो एआई के थ्रू चलते हैं. AI has taken a critical step in helping people with looking after patients as well. The automated boards and the healthcare applications ensure proper medication and treatment of the patients in the facilities. In certain cases, AI applications have also been known to provide operating assistance to the doctors. कई बार डॉक्टर के असिस्टेंट बन के भी AI रोबोट से वो काम कर सकते हैं. Like this is the analysis done by the robot itself, and like this is AI feature, like ऐसा ही आपने आयरन मैन मूवी में भी देखा होगा. So better to exposure and more zooming image for better prediction. Banking facility. A lot of banks have already adopted AI-based system or software to provide customer support and detect anomalies and credit card fraud. Another use of AI for banking, which is of far higher value for the banks, is in fraud detection. अगर fraud detection करना है तो भी AI है वो applicable है. It can be hard for the humans to understand the patterns, but machines are good at it. This is where fraud prevention AI comes into play. By tracking card usage and endpoint accesses, security specialists are more effectively preventing fraud, and organizations rely on AI to trace those steps by analyzing the behaviors of transactions. So उसकी वजह से behavior की वजह से पकड़े जा सकते हैं अगर कोई theft हो सकता है तो. Smart homes. So thermostats and building management systems can help automated building heating and cooling. For instance, in effect, they learn and can predict when to turn your boiler on or off for optimal comfort, whilst factoring in outside weather conditions as well. सो स्मार्ट होम का कंसेप्ट ऑलरेडी इम्प्लीमेंट हो चुका है फ्रेंड्स, एंड रिमोट कंट्रोल से आप उसको कंट्रोल कर सकते हो, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को कंट्रोल कर सकते हो, सिक्योरिटी को कंट्रोल कर सकते हो स्मार्ट होम कंसेप्ट की वजह से. एंड अगर कुछ भी लाइट्स ऑन करना हो, लाइट्स ऑफ करनी हो, एसी ऑन करना हो, पंखा चालू करना हो, वाईफाई ऑन ऑफ करना हो, कुछ भी करना हो तो यू कैन कंट्रोल विथ योर स्मार्टफोन्स इटसेल्फ. The most advanced form of application of artificial intelligence in the real world are being implemented in homes and are becoming smarter every day. Various devices like smart locks, smart switches, etc. are increasingly becoming capable with various devices, and application of the smart homes is becoming more accessible to the general population every day. The past few years have withstand many smart device that can now learn your behavior patterns and help you save money by saving energy, suggesting steps that can be potentially save your time and resources, and implementing cost optimized operations. These devices help you with a smarter way of living. If we talking about the travel, then transportation companies and traveling companies are using AI for several tasks. Apart from enhancing their customer support. They also using AI tools for determining prices for various different locations by analyzing historical and real-time data from the various accessible data. AI and machine learning applications help travel companies in calculating profitable yet affordable prices according to various factors to attract in multiple multitude of the customers. एंड लाइक अगर हम स्पेस की भी बात करें, स्पेस एक्स, सो स्पेस एक्सप्लोरेशन, artificial intelligence is also being used for NASA's next rover mission to the Mars. The Mars 2020 rover, the AEGIS, which is an AI-based Mars rover, is already on the red planet. The rover is responsible for autonomous targeting of the cameras in order to perform investigation of the Mars. And last one but not least, that is about the chatbots. So chatbots, you already know what happened in chatbots. So these days virtual assistants are a very commodity possessed by various industries. Almost every household has a virtual assistant that controls their applications at home. A few examples include Siri, Cortana, and Alexa, which are gaining popularity because of the user's experience they provide. And the Amazon Echo is an example of how artificial intelligence can be used to translate human language into desirable actions. This device uses speech recognition and natural language programming to perform a wide range of tasks of your commands. And that's all from my side for today's. It can do more than just play your favorite songs. It can be used to control the device at your house, book cabs, make phone calls, order your favorite food, check the weather conditions, and so on. So this is all about the smart technologies, all about the artificial intelligence. And thank you so much, friends, for patiently listening and understanding what is the application and advancement of artificial intelligence and its uses in today's life. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon for updated technological, financial, and other videos. Thank you. Stay safe, stay connected, take care.